Do you also scroll through social media and wish to have healthy glowing skin like your favorite celebrity? Then remember, it never comes in a day. Glowing skin is not only a genetic jackpot, but these celebrities have very good lifestyle, a good consistent skincare routine which they have followed for years, balanced diet, and a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet Kaur, a dermatologist with widespread experience in treating skin and hair disorders. And today's topic is how to have healthy glowing skin like your favorite celebrity. What exactly is flawless glowing skin? So flawless doesn't mean perfect. You still can have your unique identity features like pores, wrinkles, a birthmark, but still you can have a glowing skin. The key is to use the right skincare products. Start by using the right cleanser for your skin type and cleansing your skin twice a day properly so that all the dirt and impurities are taken off. Then you should use the right serums and right moisturizers. Make sure that these serums have active ingredients in them because they work wonders for your skin type. One of these active ingredients is vitamin C. Vitamin C works by blocking the enzyme that produces the pigment. If you're more curious about how vitamin C helps in brightening and evening out your skin tone, you can look for this video. Another great all-round ingredient is niacinamide, which is also called as vitamin B3. It helps in not only smoothing out the texture of the face, but at the same time helps in fading out the dark spots. And how can we forget retinol? It's a great ingredient. It works by improving the cellular turnover, helps in rejuvenating and regenerating your skin cells, as well as tightening out the pores of the skin. So it's just like a vacuum for your skin. If you are more curious about retinol, so this video has got you covered. Another very popular and trending ingredient is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid not only nourishes and replenishes lost moisture in dehydrated skin, but at the same time soothes and heals your skin as well. But here's the deal. Even if you're using the best of the best skincare products, but the application order is not appropriate, you will not get the results. So if you are a beginner, you can click on this video, which will help and break down all about application order for your skin type. Now the last and non-negotiable step is application of your sunscreen. Not only application is important, but at the same time reapplying your sunscreen is of paramount importance. Whether it's raining outside or it's cloudy, make sure that you are applying and reapplying your sunscreen, which will help in protecting your skin from not only sun damage, aging, but at the same time dark spots as well. But using the wrong skincare products won't help your skin. Your skin needs personalized care and expertise of a dermatologist. Check out how Lucky Mehta got her glow back. I know by now you must have heard it a million times, but it's true. Even if you have a very solid and appropriate skincare routine, but you won't get the results if your diet and lifestyle is not good. Make sure that your diet is appropriate, is adequate in all the nutrients, whether it's omega-3, it's protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants required for healthy and glowing skin. No good skincare is going to work if your diet is lacking in vital nutrients. So not only vitamins, but even omega-3 plays a huge role in protecting the skin from any kind of sun damage, as well as reducing the inflammation in the skin. Minerals like zinc help in improving the skin integrity as well as wound healing. So next time when you go grocery shopping, consider picking up some salmon and pumpkin seeds. Remember, it's never too late to take care of your skin. Now it's your turn. If you have any good skincare tips or some products which you can't live by, you can put up in the comment section. Stay tuned for expert-backed tips and tricks for skin and hair.